How to sell an ebook on Whop. In this video, I'll show you how to sell an ebook on Whop. So to get started, go ahead and open whop.com into your browser, and then at the top right, you'll be able to find the Start Selling button. So click on this, and that will take you here. So in here, click on the Start Selling for Free button, and that will take you into the sign up section. So in here, go ahead and enter your email that you want to use to sign up for an account on Whop, and then click on continue. And then in here, you need to verify that it's you. So Whop will send an OTP to your Gmail. So go ahead and open your Google Mail account, and then go ahead and copy the OTP that you received in here. And then head back to Whop, paste it here, and then you will be able to sign up for an account now. Now in here, you need to enter the date of your birthday. So you need to enter the month, day, and the year of your birthday. And then after that, click on the next button. And then in here, you can go ahead and start creating your business. So click on continue, and then in here, you need to answer this: which model best describes your offer? And since what you want to do is to sell ebooks, you need to go ahead and select from here. So since it is an ebook, it is not a physical product, but instead it could be a coaching and courses product. So click on that. And then in here, you need to select which industry best describes your offer. So this would vary depending on the industry where your ebook is focused to. So for example, your ebook is focused to dating industry, you can go ahead and select dating from here. And then in here, you need to select what country are you in. And then click on continue. And then you need to name your business. So for example, the name of my business would be Sample. And then after that, go ahead and click on this Create Business button. Now you can start selling products. So go ahead and click on this Create Product button at the top right. And then in here, go ahead and create the name of your product. So for example, it would be an ebook. And then create the headline and the body description of your product. So you can also allow AI to generate that for you, since Whop has this built-in AI that you can use to create the headline and description for your product. And then into the product media section, go ahead and upload the photo of the PDF ebook that you're trying to sell. So make sure to upload the cover of that ebook into this section. And then in here, go ahead and set this to 1 time, and then set the price of the ebook. And then in here, you can set the payment methods available for you. So you can set up PayPal, crypto, and other financing applications as a payment method. You just need to connect your account to that, and that payment methods would be available for you. So after you click on the save button, this product would be visible for your store. And that is how you can basically sell an ebook in Whop.